Yo, they just announced a new pope, and he's American. Look at that. I just gave you a perfect topic to start a new YouTube channel with. Like, what are you waiting for? Start your YouTube channel now. I mean, look, when I restarted my channel exactly about a year ago, man, look, I was like, oh my God, what am I gonna talk about? What subject matter are people interested in? What topics are gonna be interesting? My job is kind of boring to the general public, but man, look, in the past year, I've learned so much about myself, about the YouTube journey, about consistency, about resilience, and just about being comfortable on camera. Now let me take you back for a second. I started my YouTube channel in 2011, and I really didn't do anything with it like that. I was doing music production and I posted a couple of videos here and there, but it was just for fun, right? This is way before the YouTube algorithm and all that stuff. And then again, in 2020 or so, right around the pandemic, I relaunched my YouTube channel and posted one video. One video. Are you kidding me? I was not serious, really. So now, a year ago, around April 2024, I was like, I'm going to take this seriously and I'm going to post my videos consistently and just see what happens. I'm happy to tell you that I am this close to being monetized, man. I just need like 400 or 500 more watch time hours. And you know, YouTube is usually about 5 or so days behind. So I'm at about 3,400 hours. I already made the 1,000, subscribers threshold, which is incredible. When I restarted this YouTube channel, I had about maybe 300 or so subscribers, and now I am over 2,000 subscribers and this close to being monetized on YouTube. I can't believe it, man. Look, let me tell you, start your YouTube channel now. It doesn't matter what you think or what other people think or what you're gonna talk about. Just start with any topic. Talk about your work, talk about your family, talk about your interests, or just pick up the camera and just take a walk and talk to us, man. Oh yeah, you're gonna say, I'm not that comfortable on camera, I'm kind of shy. Okay, fine, I agree with you, but check this out. If you were to go and start learning a new musical instrument today, are you gonna be good at it? I don't think so. So why are you afraid of doing the same thing with starting your YouTube channel? This is the time to start a new YouTube channel. If I can do it, you can do it. I know that sounds so cliche, but trust me, I used to be a serial procrastinator on this YouTube stuff, right? And now I have been posting consistently for a little over a year now, a year and a month. And I went from less than 15 videos to now I'm gonna look down here because I have the notes right here. I have 142 plus this video, 143 videos. And finally, I'm starting to see some growth and progress. It took me up to about the 138th video for YouTube to start to kind of push my videos, because honestly, my videos were not getting any views. The first video I posted a year ago has like about 75 views, and I barely got to 500 views on every other video from there. And then 1 or 2 videos will break the 1,000 view threshold. But then I got this one video that I posted that took off, and this has about maybe 17,000 views right now and garnered me hundreds of new followers, which I'm so thankful for. Thank you guys so much for rocking with me and subscribing to my channel and watching my videos. You could be next. It's taken me about a year to get monetized. So I'm showing you the reality of YouTube. For some people, it might take a month. For some people, it might take 3 months. For some people, it might take 6 months. For me, it's taken me about a year. And to be honest with you, monetization was not my goal. I was not chasing monetization. I was chasing consistency. These are the things that I've learned just posting on YouTube as regular as I can. I've learned consistency. I've learned resilience. I've learned to be more comfortable on camera. If you go back and watch some of my earlier videos, some of those videos are so cringe, bro. So cringe. So I just wanted to come on here real quick and just tell you, start your YouTube journey today. If it's something that you've been thinking about, I'm not forcing you to start a YouTube channel. If it's not in your interest, you can continue to be a consumer of videos on YouTube for as long as you want to. But for those of you who have been thinking about starting a YouTube channel or have started a YouTube channel and kind of just let it die, restart that channel today. Today is the day, not tomorrow. Today is the day. So I want to hear from you. Drop some comments and tell me why. Why do you think that you're afraid to start your YouTube channel? Are you scared that you're not comfortable on camera? Are you scared that you don't have any topics, that you're going to run out of topics to talk about? Look, there's so many tools that are out there that can help you to find different topics to talk about. And even just talk to us about your life. Talk about if you travel a lot, talk to us about where you go, where you travel. If you're a homebody, talk to us about how it is like being a homebody. If you're a mom raising kids, talk to us about how you raise your kids. We could learn something from you. Everybody can learn something from anybody, right? So start your YouTube journey today. Stop procrastinating on this. It is so much fun. I'm telling you, I am having a blast. Right now, I'm working on a 10,000 step a day challenge for myself, and I'm keeping everybody posted on how I'm doing. And this journey has been so good to me, so good to me. Of course, I've had ups and downs where I'm expecting that I've edited this video and I've got these wonderful graphics going, and this is gonna be the best video ever. It's going to go viral. It's gonna get me so many views. Pfft, bro. Man, I'm over that. I am over that because I can't tell you how many times I've been disappointed when I edit the heck out of a video and it goes nowhere. I am done with that. If I edit a video and use fancy graphics, that's just for my own entertainment, okay? So I enjoy editing, I enjoy looking for good graphics and all that, but this video I wanted it to be as raw as possible. When I started my YouTube channel, this is all I had. This right here, my phone. That's all I had, man. I only got another camera just because I enjoy technology. I work in technology and I wanted to learn how to do things like color grading and becoming better at my YouTube videos just for my own pleasure. I hope you enjoy the videos that I put out, but for me, I edit them and color grade them to my liking because I just enjoy doing that. But listen, all you need is your phone. Very simple. Turn it on, hit record, start talking. As simple as that. There's so many YouTube channels out there that are still using their phones. No matter how much success they've gotten over the years, they still just record on their phones. You don't need fancy equipment, man. Just start. Just start. This is my plea to you. Just start. Please just start. And if you already have a YouTube channel and you're looking for new subscribers, drop a link in the comments so I can subscribe to your channel. I would love to see what you have to offer. Honestly, this community is for all of us, all right? So thank you so much for rocking with me. And if this video hits your timeline, it's definitely for you. So like this video, share it with a friend or two who's struggling with starting their YouTube video. And please, before you leave, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much to all my new subscribers who are on this channel, and I really appreciate you so much. I will definitely see you guys on the next one. Peace.